Hi! In front of me is TCL 406 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill with Google, and continue in Autofill with Google Pop-up. Following that, select the Google Password Manager. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To make them visible, you need to add at least one. So to fix it, click on this gear next to Password Manager and make sure that Offer to Save Passwords option is enabled. Then log in to any app and tap on Save in Autofill pop-up. This way, password to this app will appear over here and you'll be able to add any other one from those settings. In order to do it now, tap on this plus next to Search Passwords and input all of those informations, like website at the top. If you prefer to select an app, click on Select App and click on the chosen one. Then enter your email, phone number or username, password, and even some helpful notes. When you're done, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!